How's it going, everyone? In today's video, I'll show you on how you can connect your Arzopa portable monitor to PS4 or PS5. Now, it's going to be extremely simple, and basically the process are going to be the same. Now, depending on your Arzopa brand, or I mean the model itself, most likely there's going to be the mini HDMI port, which will look something like this. So what you want to do is to go ahead and get yourself a similar output or similar cable that supports the mini HDMI port, so you could maybe grab yourself a mini HDMI cable. Now, on the other hand, you could also try getting USB-C, because USB-C could actually transfer video quality or video format itself. So what you want to do is to go ahead and grab yourself either one of these cables. Now, to make things a lot easier, we are just going to use the HDMI cable right here. So plug the HDMI cable onto the HDMI port, and then plug the other end on the back of PS5 or PS4. And from there, just turn it on. Make sure that both devices are plugged in, and then it will simply be connected with each other. And so that's how simple it is. If this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow us for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.